Good morning, my friends. We have a new project on the table. As you can see, it is a still wheat eater. It is a FS38. And the complaint is it doesn't start well. So I think what we do is let's try and start it first and then go with the procedure and locate the problem. Okay guys, let's go. It has a switch here and I put it on, and here is a choke, and I just want to pump it a little bit here, and it seems if it doesn't pump fuel as it should, but let's try it in any case. Okay guys, it started very well, so I don't know what is the complaint, but I think I will in any case check the plug, and I can't really see that it pumps fuel, although there is fuel in here. I hope you can see, and there might be a leak. So I think it's maybe good to take off the carburetor and see what we can make better. Okay, the plug needs a clean, that is for sure. So we will do that at least. Okay guys, I'm going to remove the carburetor because I will see if I can remove the tank to inspect the filter inside there. Okay guys, the carburetor is off, and this is the fuel control, and the gasket is kind of wet, so it seems if I loosen that the tank might come off, and I will inspect this fuel lines as well. Okay guys, I've got a filter out, and it was not necessary to remove the tank. I could manage to get it out there. So now I can check the tank inside, but the filter looks okay. I'll see if I can open it to thoroughly inspect it. But okay, this is where I am now at this point. Okay friends, everything is back together there and looks good. And now the big question is, must we open it, the carburetor, or not? Because it started really well this morning, so I don't want to create some problems unnecessary. But I had to do something because there was a complaint, it will not start easy. So maybe I must go in and make sure everything is fine. Okay, I'll set you up. Okay guys, let's go in this side first. Okay, so I don't want to make the video very long, so I will take it off quickly. Okay guys, let's go in. It seems if there's some dirt. Okay, let's put that there, and then look at this. Okay, let me inspect. Okay guys, that part is clean. I blow it out with carburetor cleaner. And I think we must take out the needle and seat now first. Okay guys, the needle and seat come off. Let me just unscrew it there totally. Okay, now we can take it off. Okay, there's the plate and there's a little spring. And there's the seat or the needle. And there's the seat part. Okay, let me clean up there. Okay, there's the seat, guys. I hope you can see. Okay, guys, if you ever remove this needle and seat with a little spring down there, there's a very tiny little spring just there. I hope you can see. And the needle is there. And this pin must be it's secured by this screw. So it is absolutely very difficult to do that. But it's in. Okay guys, now for this side. Okay. And this will be in our way. So let me take it out quickly. Okay, we are going in. It's straightforward. And this is the valves. You can see that two flappers there. This is the valves. So this side looks actually very good. I'm going to put it back together. Maybe I'll just put some carburetor cleaner through there. Okay guys, carburetor is back together, everything. So I think I'm going to put it back on the machine and then we can test it and see if there's if it starts any better, but it was good in any case. Right, my friends. Okay guys, everything is back together and let us see if it will pump fuel. It do. I'm not sure if it must fill up, but at least it pumps. And maybe better than before. Okay, let's give it a start up without the air cleaner. Okay, let's try no choke for now. As is. Looks good. This is full. It was not so full previously. There's no leaks. Okay guys, it seems everything seems fine. I can put the air cleaner back and it can do maybe with a cleanup. It doesn't look bad at all. It's a type of filth, but maybe I must just give it a little bit of cleaning and put it back and give it a test outside. Okay guys, I haven't got long grass, but let's try it in any case. Okay, I think that's a job well done, guys. I'm not going to tune on the lean, the fuel mixtures and all these kind of things. I'd rather leave it alone. It ran okay. Okay, so I think this was a good job. Okay, my friends, see you on the next project. Bye bye.